What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology. Today I'm going to continue the Reportlab tutorial. So this is going to be I think part 10. So let me quickly write down the name like tutorial 10. Okay, so in this tutorial I'm gonna talk about like how to add like image or photos like JPEG or PNGs, and with like using some I think methods is not attributes. So there are two like default methods are available within Reportlab. One is called DrawImage and one is called like DrawInlineImage. So we can use those two methods to embed or insert like images or photographs or PNGs or kind of template, whatever you want to do. So I'll be showing you guys like how to do that, and probably we can create some sort of like some sort of logo kind of a thing, like which is very common like things, which is very common thing like for every tutorial, every reporting or every dashboard or every PDF, we do have some sort of like templates or logo. I think you guys are already familiar with that. So I'll show you guys how to create those logos using like Reportlab features, and this is very simple, and with the help of Python you can do it like within 5-10 minutes. So this is going to be like very short and precise tutorial, but everything will be kind of very important. So follow me, and like just like other videos also I mentioned, like once the video is completed, just try to do some sort of practice by your own. This will actually help you to gain some sort of knowledge inside and as well as confidence, so you can do your like own stuff after that. Okay, so first thing first, let me show you guys. We have one logo over here. So logo is our channel logo. So I'll be using this logo for this tutorial. So let's say we'll try to insert this logo inside our PDF report, and after that we'll see what happens. Okay, and I will show you the procedure and process for that. Okay, so let me quickly give a name. So it is done. Then first thing first, like from Reportlab dot PDFgen import canvas. Next thing from like Reportlab dot PDFgen dot lib import I think lib dot think unit import centimeter report.pga, no module name, Reportlab PDFgen libs. I think this is going to be libs. I'm not sure what is happening here now. Reportlab PDFgen, then port thing this lib. Sometime I also forget, so this is normal. As I told you, if you don't practice you will definitely forget. So import centimeter. Okay, and we'll use like report lab dot lib import color for colors. Okay, so now let me quickly PDF file, and this is going to be like canvas, and we'll give one name. Let's say this is our PDF 10 tutorial, so PDF 10 dot like PDF 10, and whatever bottom up is going to be 0, and after that let's PDF underscore file dot translate, and this is going to be centimeter by centimeter. We'll put the logo now. Okay, so PDF dot file dot draw image, and this is going to be like I'm thinking like what we can put, like let's give 150 650 y coordinate, and width is going to be like 100 and height is going to be 100. Okay, and after that we'll show, like save this thing, pdf underscore file, pdf underscore file dot save. Now let's see what is happening. Draw image on positional argument. It's saying y argument is missing, but this is x, this is y, this is width, this is height. So I am not sure why this is showing like one argument is still missing. Well, interesting. Draw image missing one required positional argument y. Okay, I'm not sure why this is showing like this. Probably not sure what is happening. Let me check the function signature here. It will be clear now. I think we use the right thing. So okay, I forgot, guys. I forgot to give the image name, so sorry for that. So it is going to be logo.jpg. So logo.jpg. Sorry, again I'm doing mistake. Sorry. Logo.jpg. Well, now it is saying logo2.jpg and sorry, and now this will work. It's done. So probably we can create this thing. What is there, like thing PDF report, thing tutorial, something with PDF 10. Okay, so it is here, but the problem is that it is reverse direction. So I'll show you guys why it is now in the reverse direction. So what happened here, now we make it like bottom up equals to 0, so we should not put this thing or else it will reverse. Okay, so now let's open this thing. So it's okay, but it came kind of in this side. Like we'd like to make it a bit more like inside, like what to say, like in the middle of the page. Okay, so for that probably we can do something like let's do it with 650. Okay, so it's fine. Now if you want to like create 2 pages with this thing, so you have to do simple thing, like we have to add one more thing here, but in between you have to like dot show, I think, page, then it will create 2 pages and each page will be having this logo. Okay, I think okay, this and this. So this is okay. Now main thing. Okay, so this is one available like method, and there is another available method is available. So pdf underscore file dot draw, there is something called DrawInlineImage, so you can see the signature. Okay, so this is like this, but there is some major difference between these two things, like the DrawImage and DrawImage basically performs the same thing, but it is always recommended to use DrawImage method, as it will actually catch the image and allow you to draw it many times, while the other one other one actually embed the image into page strip itself, and which makes it much more less efficient as the image will be added every time. Okay, so what does it mean? Like for draw inline image, so it is going to it is going to store or add the image like every time, but other draw image function is actually cache the image, and every time it is going to refer to that image. So for draw inline image, it is going to like store the image multiple times, and for draw image, it is only going to be stored the image only one time, and every time it is going to take it from the cache. So draw image is going to be much efficient and much faster, and the size will be very less for the PDF, and draw inline image, it will be much like it will be less efficient, and the size will be like higher, cause almost double size. Let's say if you are going to have 2-page PDF, and each page is going to have one image, and you are using draw image and draw inline image. So let's say draw image will be having 100 KB and draw inline image will be having 200 KB. So difference will be almost double, cause draw image, it is going to save the file only once, and it is going to cache or kind of refer the image. And for draw inline image, it is going to embed the image in the page stream itself, and every time it is going to add that. Okay, by the same way. So draw inline image is going to be less efficient, so always recommended you should use draw image. But again, if you are not going to do some sort of like highly like system efficient design related work, then it doesn't matter. But again, I think I should mention this thing, cause when you are working for some of the big organization, the PDF reporting is going to be the much more like important thing, and you should develop some sort of efficient thing. So let's say you are going to develop 200-page report. So for that, you are going to have, let's say 200-page report, you are going to have 1000 images. So you can imagine, like if you're not going to use some sort of efficient like technique or process or method, then your system is going to be down, and performance will be going to decrease day by day. So that is why you should use always draw image. If you want to know the like much more detailed explanation, then I will highly recommend you guys to follow the Reportlab things. But don't worry, I'm going to explain this thing using some sort of code now. Okay, so here I use DrawImage. Okay, so let me just quickly open this thing. So let's check the file size. So it is 120 KB. Okay, and we are having 2 pages, and each page is having this image. Okay, so it is 120 KB roughly. So if you use draw inline image, it is going to become like almost double, let's say 200 or 220 between. Okay, so what I'll do, like we need to use this draw inline image. Okay, so draw inline image, so let me replace this thing. Okay, here this and this. Okay, so let me run this thing again. Okay, it's done. So I think file created, PDF report, and this is the PDF. Let's see. So same thing. Okay, nothing changes. So now if you open this thing here, get info, see the size is always double. It is 214 bytes, or 214k 1000 bytes, or 217 KB. So almost double. So this actually proves the fact. So what I just now like mentioned or explained, so you always should use the draw image, not the draw inline image, because this is less efficient, and this is like draw image is going to be like having better like performance with respect to system design and other component. So that's fine. Okay, so what I'll do some sort of like design now, like just for fun, or just for to give you some sort of like intuition, like how you can use those things for your own purpose. Okay, so what I'll do, let me quickly open this thing, document, PDF report. So we'll try to draw one circle, and inside the circle we'd like to put the square. Okay, so it's very simple. So what I'll do, let me just like PDF file dot circle, the x coordinate, y coordinate, and the radius. So let me just, if it is 150, then let me just put is 200, 700, and radius let's say 400 is fine. Okay, and the same thing here. Okay, let's check this thing first. Yes, this is perfectly placed. I also not sure how it happened, how I calculated that much perfectly, but again it's working. So now let's do something like let's fill this thing with some sort of color. Okay, so I'm just thinking, well, we can use pdf_file. Not sure why this is not coming over here, but we can do something like it is going to be set fill color. Well, so copy, work smartly, that's it. And probably you can use this color method, color, and let's say blue, and probably we can use like here I'm just thinking what else we can use. Let's this one. Okay, done. So let me open this thing. Nothing happened actually, not sure why. Okay, I did a mistake. We have to pass one more argument here, like in the circle, like fill equals to 1, and as well here like fill equals to 1. Then it is going, this is gonna fill this thing. Okay, so I think it's working now. Yes, it's blue. So you can see like we created some sort of logo or template kind of a thing for our own branding. Like you can put some sort of thing or tagline inside the PDF. So this is very normal. Like you guys, I hope that you guys like already seen this sort of things in any like PDF or any PowerPoint report, or whenever you saw some sort of PDF reporting or kind of things. Like this is going to be like very useful when you are going to do some sort of like brand awareness kind of a thing. Like let's say your brand has to be inside some sort of like gray background or some sort of circle or whatever. Like I'm just giving some sort of abstract example, but you can do many things. Like you can put some sort of like design here using everything. Like it looks nice actually. So this is not Photoshop, this is completely from Python, and everything is logically based on mathematics. So hopefully this will be easier to understand and easier to follow. So that is why I'm doing it very smoothly and slowly to give you guys like some sort of like very basic understanding of the Reportlab. But again, if you know this thing, how to add image and how to put it like inside some sort of geometrical figure, so then you can do anything. Like now the next thing is that you can, let's say, put some sort of like text wording over here. You can put some headline, underline, many things you can do for let's say for the first page. Okay, so this is quite nice thing. If you know this thing, many time I mentioned, you'll be able to like get some sort of edge with respect to like performance or other thing. You'll be able to impress your boss, your client, and everyone will be happy with your work if you do all this stuff using Reportlab, and you can do this thing automatically. So you'll be definitely like you'll not be using if you're doing this thing using Python, then definitely you are not following the conventional approach. You're doing some sort of like automation, and I think only 1% like resources within the globe are using this thing for their reporting thing. Whether they're relying heavily on the some sort of like tools that is again from the third party, and they're doing it blindly, they're feeding the data it's generating, so there is hardly any scope for automation. But another way around, if someone is using Word document, and after that they are converting into PDF, or after writing this into form of PowerPoint PPT, and after that they are converting into PDF for this diagram and all. But again, if you're doing it using Reportlab, completely automatic, then definitely everyone will be happy, and it is kind of like it will give you some sort of long lasting impression on your, like, with respect to your performance and your capabilities. So in that sense, definitely you should learn. If you're going to work on some sort of reporting or kind of consultancy or kind of like marketing strategy, whenever reporting is important. So if you're working or if you're heavily depending on the documentation, then everyone must know this like technology. This is not very not rocket science like behind this thing. So if you can think logically, if you have some sort of idea about mathematics, then I think you can write your own code for building like eye-catching dashboards or PDF reports for your company, for your boss, for your manager, for your client, or those are actually working for freelance. For them also this is going to be same. So I believe this is actually help you. So that is why I created this tutorial, because when I started preparing some sort of report for my own like organization, that time I faced many difficulties, because there was no like concrete tutorial or something available, only the Reportlab official documentation. Then I thought of like, let me first learn this thing, and after that I will try to deliver the project parallelly for my company, and after that I decided that I should make a tutorial. How I learned, I am following the same path day by day. So I hope you guys are able to learn, and if you guys are able to learn and give me some sort of feedback, and then I'll be definitely happy. So that's all guys, that's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video. I'm not sure when, because this is weekend and I have to go somewhere else. Probably Sunday I'll not be able to upload many videos, but Supratim will be doing the videos. So guys, again I'm repeating, try to do some sort of homework and let me know how your like progress on this. If you have some feedback, some suggestion, some recommendation, some complaint, please do let me know. I'll try to take it as much as positively, and after that I'll try to definitely work on it, and hopefully our quality, if it is going to be quality matter, will be improved. And if you have some suggestion or some topics in your list, please let me know via email or like YouTube comment. And those are actually like came for the first time into this tutorial, please subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon, and also don't forget to hit the like button. And if you think this video is going to help like some of your other friends or family member or student, whoever is relevant, please share this video to them as well. So that's all guys, that's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and happy weekend.